Hi, this is Will Wilson, and this is Citrus Sports and Apparel. With our state-of-the-art screen printing equipment, we can offer you better speed and quality than anybody in the Citrus County area. We're pretty much one-stop shopping. From team uniforms to your trophies at the end of the season, we've got it all. Our embroidery department is second to none. We offer better service and quality than anyone in the area. And this is Citrus Sports and Apparel.
This is why I'm